Hello, on this video I will show you steps to change the date format inside SQL Developer. First of all, now when we query sysdate from Duo, we will see the default date format. It should be day, month, year. So now I want to change the date format on this tool. First of all, I go to menu, tool, and reference. Then I choose database and NLS that format here. So we change that format. First time I change the date format to the year of 4 character. Now we verify that again. Now you can see we have the new format of that with the 4 character. On the other hand, if we want to convert the text to that, we use to that with the default format. So now you can see we have that with the same default format we set in the tool. So now it convert successfully. Now we change the date format again. First, now I want to change the date format for 2 character open, 2 character of day, and 4 character of year. Now we vary the sysdate again. Now you see the sysdate is 2 character of month, 2 character of day, and 4 character of year, same as what we did in the tool. Now we use default date format. Here you can see now this string is not the same format with the default format. We did setting in the tool. So that's why that query write us an error. So now we should very carefully about this, because if we change the display format by going to tool, reference, then we go to NLS, that setting, our code in the client, if we use the default format, it should be fail when execute. Just to for sure, we need to use at least that format here. We should not have any issue with this because we use implicit data conversion. Make sure we are aware with this when we use implicit data conversion, because it potentially raise error.